Biological robot. Today is Sunday, February 15, 2026. The Intelligent Design episode. A robot is a machine, especially one programmable via computer, capable of automatically carrying out a complex of actions. The one you are seeing is called a mechanical robot. There is a robot, not yet in our world today, but maybe in the future. It looks like a real human in all aspects. They eat, work, can do whatever the real humans do. They exist in the artificial planet where our Creator live together with 8,400 people from Earth, 700 Elohim members of the Eternal. Tonight, 9 o'clock on my YouTube channel, in details, I'm going to explain it live. The humanoid robot today, like Sophia, is the most advanced we have in our planet. It will not take long and this will become a biological robot. Please watch our discussion tonight.